We've been learning a lot of different earrings and I've been trying out a lot, so I thought I'll teach you one of my favorite earring that is made out of semi-precious stones. So there are three stones here, and also there's a end that's there, a hanging end. So I thought we'll make today with green and try out. So I have already made one pair of that. Let's see how we do that. So of course, like I mentioned, you need 6 beads to be able to do that. So you take a green bead and use this wire to go through it, and you keep it through your fingers and cut the excess off and make a hook out of it. It's a hook. I already made the other two for the same pair of earrings, so all you have to do is attach those to this, attach those beads to this beads, make it tight. Do the same with other beads too. So I'm doing third bead, attaching the third bead to the third bead to the so we have all 3 beads ready. Now we are making the hanging at the end, so for that you need a flower leaf and this bead. As you might have already noticed that I used everything in the same color. So you attach that to the wire and the bead as well. You do the same thing, you cut off the excess and bend the tip of it so you can secure the leaves there. And attach that bead to our last green bead. Here it is ready. So you attach that to the green bead and again secure it well. We are almost there. We just need to attach a hook to the total everything together. So attach the hook, and here we have the green earring along with the other pair. Please do try and let me know what you think. Have a good day.